Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the S&P 500 futures for Friday, November 3rd. For the record, today is Thursday, November 2nd. Time is around 7:30 p.m. GMT. So as I explained in my earlier videos, for now I'm only looking at price action in the S&P 500 from this low right here, because everything on the left side for now can be a lot of different structures depending if this low holds or not, because this is a potential wave 4 low we are seeing here. And if this low holds and if it is a wave 4, we should now see an impulse to the upside. And I would say the S&P 500 is doing quite well in creating an impulse. So yesterday this was my count, but it already looks outdated. We are still working on the wave 3 or the wave C. Clearly, we didn't care here about this equal leg area. We just crushed it, which means that the count has to be adapted. And I would say now that from this low right here, we have our wave 1 here, a shallow wave 2 right here. Then this can also be our wave A or our wave B. Let's have a look at the internals. Yes, this looks good. And then from here, so here we start the third wave, and this third wave is still ongoing. I would say so 1, 2 right here. And yeah, okay, we have a bit of divergence here, but I mean, it still looks very strong. So let's have a look at the 15-minute. Okay, now we start to see some divergence here, but as I also explained in my other analysis, like once you start to extend this, like divergence becomes kind of useless, because it can just stay here, like create some kind of snake in the overbought area. So that's something we typically see when we are extending. So my best count now would be like still working on the wave 3, but in the wave 3 we have a 1, a 2, this could be a 3, a 4, and then now working on the fifth wave, which should then be the end of the wave 3, and then a wave 4 and a wave 5 should follow like this. But of course, this looks very impulsive. This is, let's say, a good start for a fifth wave, but fifth wave in the higher degree, I mean. But if we do not get this fourth and fifth wave here, so far we have 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 waves can still be corrective, which means that we can have an A, B, C structure here. This would then be very misleading. But what would happen is that, this is simply from this low, another corrective move up. And once this corrective move up is finished, we will see further downside taking out the low right here. That's something that is possible if we do not see clearly this fourth and fifth wave. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.